Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today we're going to draw Aang from Avatar, and also featuring at the moment in Fortnite, Chapter 5, Season 2. Let's go there at the top. Let's do his domed head. So move up and around and down like that. Little domed head he's got. Pop a couple of like ears in either side of that. That's cool. Then a little bit of a jaw there, and then a cheek. Down, we're going to go to the chin there, so just do the cheek and then down like that. Pop in a couple of eyebrows, so one eyebrow there, a little bit more emphasis on the middle part, one eyebrow there, okay. And then his eyes kind of, top parts will come around like that and that. And he's got big wide eyes, so I'm going to do a big circle sort of underneath, and then just a little sort of chip of black for the center of the eye, then a little bit of a like button nose around there, and he's got like a bit of a sort of cheeky sort of smile on him there as well. This sort of chin area, this then comes down like that, and here for his neck, a couple of little lines in there. Okay, next up, let's just pop his shoulder in. So the shoulder here over to the round area of the shoulder there. Inner part of his arm I think is going to be here, so he's just going to go down there where his torso is, and then his arm area is going to come out here. So now I've got kind of the measure of that. That's going to kind of come out around like that. This arm is going to go in like that there. Then he's got his kind of like clothing on here, so this kind of comes out a little bit like this. Bring that up to there. Shoulder area comes in, around there, a bit more clothing kind of here, comes around like that, and he's got like a bit of a belt on, so that can come there, clothing can come around there, draw a couple of lines in for detail, like that. Then he's got this belt area, so he's going to go straight down there. It's kind of like a little bit of material that comes out here, so just going to pop that in like that. It's great having this material because we can just pop some like little lines and things like that around him. It really adds to our picture. A line there, one up there, so it sort of shows all the little creases and things. This then comes out from the bottom of that belt down, and then there's like a bigger piece of material that kind of zooms around that, sort of like this and out. And that comes all the way up, sort of joins up to that point there. Again, we can just pop in a couple of little creases like that. Cool, okay. Got another piece of material here that kind of comes to, say, like there. So then we can just pop that to there, pop that to there, and then that kind of goes up like that. Again, we can just pop a couple of little sort of lines in there. Trousers quite baggy over here, so just got kind of like a baggy kind of trouser area around there. Same here, that sort of comes out around here to the knee area, baggy and around. Then it gets sort of tightened up, so just going to do a curve where his calf is to there. This side same, sort of curve and down. And it kind of flares out a bit at the face like that. This point here, we just come in and move out. A little band in there. This side, very similar, move out, down, kind of flared out again like that, little band, and we'll pop a shoe in. The foot's going to come out this way on here, so pop the shoe in there, like that, and then this foot is facing a bit more out, sort of more towards us, sorry, so bring it out around there, that's cool there. Just have a look now at his shoulders, so more material here, so just sort of come out, sort of flap around with the material and down. Again, we can add a few little bits on like that. And then let's do this arm. So this comes up to the forearm area here. So then this will curve out, come down like that. This area will curve out, come down where his forearm is. And then we just pop a little thumb in there, and then just pop a little finger there, and a couple of little lines for fingers in there, so we can kind of see that trail there. This hand, this arm, kind of got to sort of follow the convention of this one. So come out here and here, put a little mark, that tiny little sort of curved V where his forearm is. Again, we'll just come out and down like that. This side will come out and down like that. And we'll draw a similar thing here. So just pop a thumb in like this, and then we'll just have that, maybe his fingers just sort of curved around in here. Make it easy for ourselves there. A couple of little lines in here and here. Maybe just like a little sort of cleat there. Maybe just a little bit where his shoes are. Let's just ground him. So let's put some kind of terrain behind him there. And then just a few little sort of areas where his pecs are. So just a little bit of detail around here and here. Bring that up. And like that. There we go. And then we'll just draw a little bit more sort of curve around the ear area is there. Okay, right, let's colour him in. So let's get a nice skin colour. And what we'll do is got that little arrow on his head, so I'm just going to make sure that we take care of that. So just going to draw around that with our sort of skin colour, and then we can just colour him in around there. What we need to make sure we do as well is just make sure give him enough space for the white around his eye, so colour in around there. And then really the rest of it we can just colour in through that. So get the chunky nib, and then we'll just fill that all in. Maybe just leave a little bit of it with the lighter side on that side, but really we just go ahead and fill it all in now. It's all like cell shaded, so it's all very flat colours on this character. It shouldn't take too long to colour him in. Okay, that's all the skin colour there. Let's get ourselves a nice like deeper yellow colour. Just colour that part of his tunic in there. So that's a yellow, and his trousers too. Yellow, tiny little bit actually. Let's just see a tiny little bit where his trousers come out there, but maybe just pop a little bit of black line in there, and just sort of add that sort of variance there. That's cool. Get ourselves a red, and it's like a nice sort of lighter end of the spectrum red first of all. So fill those bits in where his legs are. And then we've got this tunic, so that can be this colour too. So that's red, and then this bit as well up here. Again, nice flat block colour. I'm going to get a bit of a deeper red, and what I'm going to do is colour in this area here. What I'll also do, this part underneath here is a bit darker again, so I'm going to colour that in with the red. And just give it a bit of a double hit, so go over it again like that, and then I think what we'll do is we'll just get that other red again. We'll just go around where the shading is, so around here, and just sort of almost like double hit these areas, around there, in here, and then just a bit here. Let's get ourselves a lighter brown, and let's just pop his shoes in. Cool. And then with that darker brown, let's just try and do a hit with that lighter brown over the top of it. And as well as that, we'll use it to shade our character areas in here and here. Okay. And then let's just get ourselves that darker colour, and we just do some little shading, sort of darker skin colour, and just go around the edges and just sort of pop a bit of shading in where the skin is, around there. A little bit around here, around there. Like the nose and the ear. So just in there. That background there, that can be filled in, sort of like that kind of like sandy sort of colour. Cool. Okay, and then just a nice little bit of lilac at the top. Just carefully colour that arrow area in on his head. Here we go. And then just get that light brown again. Just colour those eyes in. So slightly there. And maybe if we've got a dark brown, just a bit more of a hit on here. Just sort of add that variance. Yeah, that's a bit more like it. Sort of dark brown over the top. And the red. Sort of nice bit of colour variation. Maybe just add a tiny bit to these edges again as well. Give that variance. Just get the light brown out, and we'll just do an ever such a slight amount around the trouserlet area, just around here as well. Cool. Okay. Let's get that nice red again, and let's pop in the name. So we got Aang on Art Drawer. So thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe, and we'll see you again.